Good morning, everyone. Hello, friends. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel, Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos related to mathematics for higher education, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss some residue problems. Now, problems. Problem number first. Find the residue at z is equal to 0 of fz equal 1 plus e to the power z upon sin z plus z cos z. Okay, student? Since z is equal to 0 is a pole, is also given. Now solution: z equal to 0 is a pole of order 1. So residue at z is equal to 0, say R1 or R. This is equal to limit z tending to 0, z minus 0 into function. This is equal to limit z tending to 0, 1 plus e to the power z upon sin z plus z cos z into z minus 0, that is z. Okay. How it is can be written as limit z tending to 0, 1 plus e to the power z. Now sin z upon z plus cos z only. Now limit z tending to 0, we get 1 plus e to the power 0 upon 1 plus 1. This is equal to 2 upon 2. This is equal to 1. That is, residue at z is equal to 0 of fz is 1 only. Now next question. Question number 2. Determine the poles. Determine the poles of the following function functions and residue at each pole. First part, 1 upon z to the power 4 plus 1, and second part, 1 minus e to the power 2z upon z to the power 4. Now solution. First part, since fz equal 1 upon z to the power 4 plus 1, 4 pole, denominator of function always equivalent to 0. That is, z to the power 4 is equal to minus 1. This is equal to e to the power I pi. For general value, z to the power 4 is equal to e to the power 2n pi I plus I pi, that is z is equal to e to the power 2n plus 1 I pi by 4, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we can say z is equal to e to the power m I pi by 4, where m is equal to plus minus 1 plus minus 3. Now m is equal to 2n plus 1. Say z equal to zm equal to e to the power m I pi by 4 is a pole. Now we can calculate residue at z equal to zm, that is residue f zm equal z minus zm fz limit z tending to zm. This is equal to limit z tending to zm, z minus zm upon z to the power 4 plus 1. Okay. Now after putting the limit of z is equal to zf, we get this form is indeterminate form. Now to remove indeterminate form, we can apply L'Hospital rule. So by L'Hospital rule, this is equal to limit z tending to zm by L'Hospital rule. The differentiation of numerator 1 and denominator 4 z to the power 3. Okay. Now by putting the limit 1 upon 4 zm whole cube, this is equal to zm divided and multiplied zm to the power 4. So this is equal to zm. Now value of zm to the power 4 is equal to minus 1. Now putting value of zm e to the power m I pi by 4 upon 4 into minus 1. Okay. This is equal to e to the power m I pi by 4 upon 4, where m is equal to plus minus 1 comma plus minus 3. Okay. Now next questions, part number 2. Fz equal 1 minus e to the power 2z upon z to the power 4 has a pole at z is equal to 0 but not fourth order. Generally, everybody understood the order of pole of this function always 4, but there is no order of 4 of fz here. Now to check the order of pole z is equal to 0 of the fz, we can apply 1 minus e to the power z upon z to the power 4. We expand 1 e to the power z, now 1 as it, and e to the power 2z, 1 plus 2z plus 4z square upon factorial 2 plus 8z cube upon factorial 3 plus 16z to the power 4 upon factorial 4 up to dot upon z to the power 4. 1 cancel by this. Now we get minus common, 2 plus 2z plus 4 upon 3 z square plus 2 upon 3 z cube plus dot dot upon z to the power 3. That is z is equal to 0 is a pole of order 3. Now z is equal to 0 is a pole of order 3. Okay. Say residue at z is equal to 0 is r. Now r is equal to limit z tending to 0 1 upon factorial 2 d2 upon dz2 z cube into function 1 minus e to the power z upon z to the power 4. Okay. This is equal to limit z tending to 0 1 upon 2 d2 upon dz2 1 minus e to the power 2z upon z. Okay, student. This is equal limit z tending to 0 1 upon 2 d2 upon dz2 1 upon z 1 minus expansion of e to the power z again 1 plus 2z plus 4z square upon factorial 2 plus 8z cube upon factorial 3, that is 6, plus up to dot bracket close. 1 cancel by this. Okay. Now this is equal to minus limit z tending to 0 1 upon 2 d2 upon dz2 z 1 upon z multiplied inside, then we get 2 plus 2z plus 4 upon 3 z square plus up to dot. This is equal to minus limit z tending to 0 1 upon 2 d upon dz, differentiate 1 times, 0 plus 2 plus 8 upon 3 z plus dot dot. This is equal to minus 1 upon 2 limit z tending to 0. Now differentiate again, 0 plus 8 by 3 plus up to dot. This is equal to 8 by 6, that is minus 4 upon 3. Okay. Now next problem, question number 3. find the poles. And residue at each pole of the function fz equal 1 minus 2z upon z into z minus 1 into z minus 2 whole square has been come AKTU 2017. Okay? 4 pole solution is 4 pole z minus 1 z minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. That is z is equal to 0 comma 1 are simple pole but z is equal to 2 is a pole of order 2. Okay, student? Let R1, R2, R3 are residues at pole z is equal to 0, 1, 2 respectively. Now here we consider R1 is a residue at z is equal to 0 and R2 is a residue at z is equal to 1 and R3 is a residue at z is equal to 2 of order 2. Now we can calculate value of R1. This is equal to limit z tending to 0 z minus 0 into function. This is equal to limit z tending to 0 z the value of function 1 minus 2z upon z minus 1 z minus 2 whole square. This is equal to 1 0 minus 1 or 2 minus 0 minus 2 whole square. This is equal to minus 1 upon 4 answer. Similarly R2 residue at z is equal to 1 limit z tending to 1 z minus 1 function fz. Now limit z tending to 1 z minus 1 1 minus 2z upon z minus 1 z minus 2 whole square. Now z minus 1 cancel by this. This is equal to 1 minus 2 upon 1 minus 2 whole square. This is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now R3 residue at z is equal to 2 of order 2. Now limit z is equal to 2 1 upon factorial 1 d upon dz z minus 2 whole square into fz, that is 1 minus 2z upon z minus 1 or z minus 2 whole square. Now z minus 2 cancel by this. That is limit z tending to 2 d upon dz 1 minus 2z upon z minus 1 only. Differentiate here. Limit z tending to 2 minus 2 upon z minus 1 minus 1 minus 2z upon z square z minus 1 differentiation of 1 upon z. Now 1 minus 2z upon z minus 1 का whole square. This is equal to minus 2 after limit 2 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 upon 4 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 upon 2 2 minus 1 whole square. Okay, so this is equal to minus 2 upon 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2, this is equal to 5 by 4. Okay, now next problem, problem number 4. Problem number 4. Find residue of fz is equal to tan hz at the singular point. This is the important question for competition. Now fz is equal to tan hz is equal to sin hz upon cos hz. Here we consider phi z is equal to sin hz and psi z is equal to cos hz. Now psi dash z is equal to sin hz. Okay, 4 pole cos hz is equal to 0. Now z is equal to pi by 2. Now residue at z is equal to pi by 2. Say r, we can write residue at z is equal to pi by 2. Say r is equal to limit z tending to pi by 2 phi z upon psi dash z. This is equal to limit z tending to pi by 2, value of psi z or phi z sin hz, value of psi dash z sin hz. This is equal to 1. Okay, now next question, problem number 5. Residue of fz equal cot z. Now solution. fz is equal to cot z, that is cos z upon sin z. Let phi z is equal to cos z, psi z is equal to sin z. Now psi dash z is equal to cos z. 4 pole sin z is equal to 0. That is z is equal to n pi, are a simple pole. Now n belongs to set of integer. Say residue at z is equal to n pi can be written as r limit z tending to n pi phi z upon psi dash z. Limit z tending to n pi, the value of phi z, cos z, and now value of psi dash z is equal to cos z. This will be 1. Okay. Now next problem, problem number 6. Problem number 6. If the function small fz is equal to capital Fz upon capital Gz has a simple pole at z is equal to a, then residue at z is equal to a, that is fa, interrogative sign. Okay student, answer, residue at z is equal to a, say residue at z is equal to a, say r. Now r is equal to limit z tending to a fz upon g dash z. Okay student. Now next problem, problem number 7. The value of integration over contour c e to the power minus z upon z square dz, interrogative sign, where c is the circle. C is the circle. Z modulus is equal to 1. Okay. This is the circle, both center, origin and radius 1. Now fz equal to e to the power minus z upon z square. Now we can expand here e to the power minus z, 1 minus z plus z square upon factorial 2 minus z cube upon factorial 3 plus up to dot, that is we get 1 upon z square minus 1 upon z plus 1 up plus 1 upon factorial 2 minus z upon factorial 3 plus up to dot. Okay. That is residue at z is equal to 0 of order 2, that is residue at pole z is equal to 0 of order 2 is minus 1. Since z is equal to 0 is a pole lie in the circle, now we can apply by residue theorem integration over c fz e to the power minus z upon z square dz is equal to 2 pi I summation r plus, that is summation r plus the value of residues at possible poles which is lie in the circle C. Now here pole here, now here is only one pole z is equal to 0 of order 2. Now residue of this is equal to minus 1. Now 2 pi I into minus 1, this is equal to minus 2 pi I is a correct answer. Okay. Next problem, problem number 8. Find the residue of fz find the residue of fz equal to 1 upon z sin z. Now answer. There are z is equal to 0 is a pole of order 2 and z is equal to n pi are simple pole. Okay. Now to discuss z is equal to 0 is a pole of order 2. Here fz equal 1 upon z. Now expansion of sin z, z minus z cube upon factorial 3 plus z to the power 5 upon factorial 5 minus up to dot. This is equal to 1 upon z square 1 minus z square upon 6 minus z to the power 4 upon 120 and higher terms are neglected, whole power minus 1. Now here the pole of fz, z is equal to 0 of order 2. Okay, which is understood here. Now 1 upon z square. Now for the calculation will be continue for residue at z is equal to 0 of order 2 of the function. Now 1 upon z square as it 1 plus z square by 6 minus z to the power 4 upon 120 plus z square upon 6 minus z to the power 4 upon 120 whole square plus up to dot. Okay, there is no one upon z terms here. Now we cannot calculate residue at z is equal to 0 here. ठीक है? Okay. Now at z is equal to n pi are simple pole. We can calculate residue. We can calculate residue at z is equal to n pi. Say r1 is equal to limit z tending to n pi z minus n pi fz, that is z sin z. Now put z is equal to z minus n pi is equal to t. Therefore limit t tending to 0 t upon t plus n pi sin t plus n pi. Okay. Now this is equal to limit t tending to 0 t upon t plus n pi. Now the value of t plus n pi minus 1 to the power n sin t. Now we can multiply minus 1 to the power n in numerator and denominator. Now limit t tending to 0 minus 1 to the power n upon t plus n pi. Now t upon sin t. Now limit t tending to 0 minus 1 to the power n upon 0 plus n pi into 1. At t tending to 0, the value of t upon sin t is equal to 1. Now residue is minus 1 to the power n upon n pi at z is equal to n pi. Okay. Next question. Problem number 9. Problem number 9. Now problem here, integration over c dz upon z square sin z, where c is the triangle with vertices 0, 1, 2, minus 2 and 7, 1. Okay. Here fz is equal to 1 upon z square sin z for pole. Z is equal to 0 is a pole of order 3 and z is equal to n pi are simple poles. First we draw the triangle 0, 1. Here a point 0, 1. Now 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 here, 2 minus 2 and 7, 1. Now 7, 1 say, therefore C is the triangle whose vertex 0, 1, 2, minus 2, 7, 1. This is the 0. Now z barabar 0 is a pole of order 3 outside the region. Outside the region C. This is the C region. Okay. Now here z is equal to n pi are a simple pole. Now we can calculate the residue at z is equal to n pi. Okay. Let R1 is a residue at z is equal to n pi. Now R1 is equal to, limit z tending to n pi z minus n pi into function z square sin z. This is equal now putting z minus n pi is equal to t. This is equal limit t tending to 0 here, t upon t plus n pi whole square. Now sin t plus n pi. This is equal to t minus 1 to the power n, t plus n pi whole square minus 1 to the power 2n sin t. The value of sin t plus n pi is equal to minus 1 to the power n sin t. Now here minus 1 power n, multiply and divide both sides, and limit t tending to 0 as well. Okay. Now this is equal to minus 1 to the power n upon 0 plus n pi whole square into 1. Since the value of t upon sin t tending to 0 is 1, this is equal to minus 1 to the power n upon n square pi square. Okay. Therefore, integration over c fz dz equal to 2 pi I summation r plus a. This is equal to 2 pi I summation r plus a. There are possible values of residues. There are two poles, z is equal to 0 of order 3, which is outside the region, and the pole z is equal to n pi are simple poles. The residues of z is equal to n pi is minus 1 to the power n square pi square. Now the value of summation r plus is equal to minus 1 to the power n upon n square pi square. Now 1 pi is cancelled. This is equal to 2i minus 1 to the power n upon n square pi. Okay, this is a complete solution.